Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You sign in and jump straight into a live project, fork a public notebook, attach a dataset, and run the first cells. Explain why. Forking preserves the original and lets you experiment safely. Once done, switch the kernel to Python and install any libraries with pip in a cell. Make sure to enable GPU only if needed, otherwise use CPU. This gets you from 0 to an editable workspace in minutes. Now focus on the core workflow. Explore, transform, and model. Start with EDA, describe distributions, handle missing values, and engineer features that make sense for the target. Then implement a baseline model to establish metrics. Compare with cross-validation for reliability. Once done, try a more complex model or ensembling and monitor runtime and memory. Make sure to comment key decisions inline. That makes collaboration and reproducibility straightforward when you share. Wrap up by cleaning and documenting. Remove debug prints, add a short README, and ensure the notebook runs top to bottom. If you're in a competition, export predictions to the required CSV format and submit on the leaderboard. Once submitted, iterate based on feedback. If something breaks, inspect the output logs, confirm kernel, CPU/GPU, and pin package versions. Often mismatched libraries cause errors. This final step ensures others can reproduce, and you can recover quickly from issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.